Indeed, designers and coders may sometimes hate each other. A seemingly straightforward effect in the eyes of a designer may be hell for your buddy in the development team. As product designers, we need to learn how to work with the team and streamline the product delivery process so the next time you see Steve from Dev, you won't hate each other's guts. Before handing over your design to the dev team, make sure that programmers know exactly what you know. The product thesis, features, motion effects, the deadline. Give your dev team the freedom to work their magic and leave sufficient time to them in case they need to change anything. During the prototype handover, be ready to advise everything. Your typography, color, padding, possible libraries, everything. Avoid frequent changes to your prototype because the slightest modification may result in major code changes in the backend. If your prototype has animation, make sure you show it to your coding team through GIF, Lottie files, or Figma plugin. Keep track of these development process after the handover because you might need to run tests from time to time to rectify potential issues. When the development process is complete, draw insights from the embedded analytics so your next upgrade can be data-driven. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next one.